And also, I wanted to show you how to get into your, if you need support, how to get into your customer portal. So let's go ahead and close these. Let's go back over to that one. Let's go to, looks like I might have closed that. Okay, let's go back into a web browser. I'll go to MecSoft.com. Okay. And to get into your customer portal, just go up here to the login button. Now this, as I mentioned, that email that you receive that has your license code also has your login credentials. So you need to pay attention to that email and keep it safe. So we're going to go to the login. We're going to go to the customer login area, and it goes to what's called our VisualSERVE Customer Portal. Okay, so every user has their own login. So our example license is already populated here. So we're going to pick the gotcha. So make sure you're not a robot, and we're going to log in. So now we're in the front face of the VisualSERVE Customer Portal. Some things to note here. We mentioned that we have a CAMJam self-training video archive and guide. So you can download it from this button, and I'll show you that in a second. And then also we have, you can get access to the Premium Forums. You click on that, and a lot of our users are on this forum. If you want to ask some questions and collaborate on things of that nature, you can use this forum. And this is all because you have AMS, okay? Well, I don't think you have to have AMS to get into this. Is that true, Joe?
Yeah, but we're turning off the general forums because we're being hit by a lot of spam users. So,
oh, I see. I see.
Now it's only AMS people will be able to use
Gotcha.
the forums. Yeah.
Okay. So just to recount this, we went to MecSoft.com. We selected the login. We selected the customer login button, and we entered our username or email address. It's typically, I would want to mention this as well. Your customer ID, you will need to know that at various times. If you're going to send us an email and I say, I've got a problem with this, always include your customer ID, and your customer ID is the last set of characters in your activation code. So you'll have code, and at the end, typically you'll have a dash, and then you'll have a set of alphanumeric characters. It most likely will start with the letters M and then S for MecSoft, and then a number, but it could be just an entire number. As you see right here.
And that number is actually part of your license code. If you bring up the license dialog, Don, again, sorry to hijack this, but yeah, we go to license dialog. You see the license, and you will see your customer ID here as well at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
And then the activation code. If you look at the last, yeah, it's actually this one is generated differently, but in most typical cases, the customer ID will be part of your activation code. So you can either grab it from there.
Yeah.
Or another thing, I believe we have the request support in the menu itself. Cancel out of this and go back to the RhinoCam menu. Oh, we don't have request support. Okay, only license. Okay. All right, sorry.
But yeah, I'm going to show them how to request support on the website.
Yeah. Okay.
So let's minimize that. So I was just mentioning here about the ID, the user ID. It's listed right here, the MS number, you see, and that is the last portion, typically would be the last segment of your activation code, okay? Very important if you email us to have this, your customer ID, because we have to look you up and see what you're running, and it could delay your response to you. So it's a really good idea to include that every time.